not a good sign. In today's video, I'm gonna take you on my vending route. I have 6 candy vending machines, and we're gonna see how much they made over this past month. I'm your host, Tech Hustler. Oakley dokley, so we made it to my first location, and it's a hair salon. I'm not gonna lie, one of my worst locations. I make maybe $10 a month here. I'm gonna go ahead and collect today, and also there is a broken lock. They called me up the other day, so I brought a new lock. I have to change that out. I'm gonna record what I can because it is a beauty salon and it's an older women's salon, so maybe that's why I don't make that much money here. But you know, it's just one of my locations. Some are gonna do good, some are gonna do bad, but you know, as long as you're gonna make at least $10 a month, you know, in the long run, that's not so bad. So anywho, let's go in there. The lock on the top of this machine is broke, so I forcibly had to break in there, but it's all good. I didn't break or even bend anything, and right here you can see the piece that broke off the lock, and then I'll have a side-by-side of a new lock right there. I'm gonna tell you right now, as you can see, I just took the globe off. If you see me take the base of the machine off, that means we have a fat pull. Unfortunately, right now, a little slim. You know, the Skittle side was broken. It was out of order, but let's see what we can do when we get over to them M&Ms. And bada bing, bada boom. You can see I'm trying to hold on, but there it is. That body had to come off, and you know, not the fattest pull, but definitely a good pull for this location, and a little wink for the subs. Oakley dokley, first location. We were able to change a lock, nice and easy, and believe it or not, I think it's the most I ever made from this location anyways. And if you want to know how much I made, you're gonna have to wait to the end of the video. So 5 more locations to go, but first, caffeine.
Have a good one, guys. You too.
Thank you. This is my first barbershop location. You're gonna see I got a little bit of candy in with my change. There's these little plastic tabs that you need to check and make sure they're closed all the way. They can get bumped open if someone, you know, aggressively knocks into the machine. Hey, what's up, buddy? I'm the gumball guy. I don't know if y'all remember. Everything going good? This gaming shop right here has my only gumball machine. I will be purchasing more. It's your best bet. The gumball machines are the cheapest, and the gumballs is pretty much your best return on investment. Plus, I get all of my candy for free. Cool. Oakley dokley, so that was my little gaming shop, and as you've seen, I only have a gumball machine there, and I do recommend, if you get in this game, to get a couple gumball machines, mainly because when I first approached them, they were worried about candy being all over the floor from kids and whatnot. So I recommended a gumball machine, and bada bing, bada boom. They had no problem with it. They definitely won it. And as you can see, pretty fat pool. So the next location is actually a tattoo shop. They do very well, but I will be honest with you, I've had some problems with them before. I don't know what happened. Actually, it might be enough material for another video, but actually the owner of this next location destroyed some of my machines back in the day. So we'll talk about that on another episode, but right now let's go to the tattoo shop and see if we can get another fat pull. Chillin', man. How about you? What's up, man? Hey, how you doing? Not bad. I'm the candy man. Nah, this a little piece came undone. It's all good. The same thing that happened in the barbershop happened here, just incredibly worse. The tab was fully open. Definitely the machine took a big bump for that tab to open right there, but it's all good though. Lost a couple dollars in Skittles, but no worries, man. This is my second barbershop location, and it did pretty good. Not as fat a pull as the first barbershop, but definitely still decent. You act like you never seen anyone record in their car before. Ugh. What's up, man? Hanging in there.
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. How you been doing?
Good. Hanging in there.
Everything good?
Yeah.
How was your car show? What was it? Sunday?
Sunday.
Yeah, I've seen little pictures online. I work on Sundays, so thank you, buddy.
It wasn't as many people as we hoped for, but still it was great for a Sunday. I had about 125 people in the store, and I'm normally closed. So.
Hey, I hear that.
Yeah, we're going broke feeding the candy machine.
I hope so. Well, so
We do it all.
we're gonna get ready for that.
All right.
This is my newest location right here. Like I said earlier, this machine has only been here for about 2 weeks, and the owner requested hot tamales, and I also added the Nerds bubblegum. Shout out to Quick Vending. They always recommend that Nerd bubblegum. I've been buying it on Amazon because I get a lot of Amazon gift cards, and I think I'm gonna make the switch. I think I'm gonna make all my gumballs those Nerd gumballs, because when I was a kid, I used to look for those and or the runts. So definitely making the switch, and you know, a couple fat pulls from the new shop. I can't wait to see what a full 30 days will do at this shop right here. And like I said, if that body comes off, we got a fat pull. Oakley dokley, so that's my 6 locations. Fat pull after fat pull, I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait to get home and count all this. As you can see, my bag is bursting at the seams. So I'm thinking I might have to get a few more vending machines. Anyways, guys, I'll see you at the crib when we count all this up and see if it's worth it. Oakley dokley, are you still with me? Have you ridden this far? Well, let's go. The salon, location number 1, $18.31. Barbershop, location number 2, $37.30. The gaming shop, $15.25. Barbershop number 2, $13.65. The tattoo shop, $30.40. The tent shop, $39 even, for a grand total of 30 days or less, $153.91. I hope you liked today's video. Happy earnings, guys. Peace.